Guys, I have a 2007 Suzuki King Quad 450 four-wheeler, and I haven't been really happy with the battery, and I want to replace it, do a video replacing it. So like, it will start up with the old one, but I really haven't liked how it's been it's been having trouble starting, and I was like trying to run it and stuff. I'm just like, I'm not happy with it. I want to change it, whatever. So here, let's go ahead and change it out. They want to take off the negative cable first. Okay. And you need to be really cautious with, let me show you here. There's a part here you need to be careful to not lose. Okay. Let's take this one off first. Okay. And let's go ahead and do this one. And it would be probably a good idea to not let tools like go across so they like touch both. Okay, so this part right here, guys, and you might want to wear eye protection actually. Right here, when you pull it out, you need to be really cautious. Let me show you why. And also, don't hurt yourself. Batteries can be kind of heavy. Okay. There's a little piece in there, a little piece in there. So let me go ahead and block the piece from falling out right here and dump it. See this piece right here? We need that for this video. So right here, needs to come out. Okay, let me get something and take it out. All right. Okay, do not want to lose this. So here we go. All right, this piece right here. Let's go ahead and take this. Okay. Now these pieces, they need to go back in here. So we want the red cable goes over, so we need to have, so the positive side goes here. Let's go ahead and put these in and not lose them when it goes inside. Also, there's some stuff in there. Okay, let's go ahead and slide this in gently. Be a good idea to connect the red one first. So be nice to, will this thing fit on here right if I, okay. Get this and this, and you don't want to like over tighten it. Want to connect the red first. Okay, it looks like that bolt is not doing the hottest. Like it could be getting to the point where it might be even getting stripped a little bit that way. So let's go ahead and use this on it. Okay. You don't want to over tighten it, but we do want it nice and snug. Okay. Okay, now that one is done. Let's go ahead and get the next one. And where would the piece be at? Okay. Okay, so there we go. let's before I put this piece on, let's make sure it starts. All right, so go ahead and put this on. This has got this, I guess, to help hold the battery in place. So like so. And this will probably work with that as well. So what I want to do is like kind of do it just so it's loose at first. I want to tighten it down like all the way. Okay, and then put this one in. Okay. I also may do a video. I have a 2014 Polaris Ranger. I actually won it in a raffle. It was pretty cool. It was a blessing from God. And I want to do the battery on that as well. But on that one, I may need to go ahead and put the acid in it and let it charge up. So maybe I'll do another video on that. So, oh, by the way, be careful like doing a tool, like letting it touch positive and negative. If you guys are doing this. Try it again. So guys, there you go. That's how to change battery in a ATV, at least for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day and God bless you.